Good afternoon. My name is Ana Rosa Sanabria Espinosa. My teacher is Diana Carolina Ramirez Muñoz. Program Bachelor's Degree in English, University Corporation of the Caribbean. The title of my project is the personification alternative strengthening of the oral and corporal expression in the area of English. With the student sixth grade. The title of my project, I choose the topic according of the difficulty encountered in the diagnosis. Since children are embarrassed or apathetic to express themselves, their knowledge orally and psychical, especially in the area of English. Content: Child, research question, general and specific objective, methodologic type of research credibility, reference, evidence. Research question: How to strengthen the oral and corporal expression on the 60 grades students of the our free educational institutions in the English area tones personification. Objective: General objective: strongly oral and corporal expression in 60 grade students of the Agua Fria year using and strengthening the imitation of characters in the English area. Special details: Identify the reason why students do not express themselves or actively participate in class. 2. Apply personification activities in the English area, promoting individual and group participation. 3. Formatively evaluate pedagogy proposed taking into account the results obtained during the development on each activity. Methodology: The present proposal was based on the personification of different situations or characters, promoting oral and corporal expression in science for learning English. Diagnosis texts were implemented were amongst no participation, apathy and fear of making mistakes were evident. Research type: the present research is qualitative with an interpretative approach where it studies the release of in this context. It is subjective, it is analyzes the behaviors and actions of the students in front of different roles. Authors is promoted the natural study of each person and their learning style. For example, the girl is represent the rabbit, your characteristics, your favorite food, your colors, your actions. In second picture, we can represent history, seeing picture and situation daily, conversation uh, with with your friends, with her friends. Research schedule 7 and 8 September 1996 workshop recreational review activity. And 14 15 September, let's learning vocabulary through the story. 22 23 September, my favorite charity is describe his life and work. 29 and 30 September, I am an animal, I am like this. 4 and 5 October, let's represent daily situation. Um, 18 and 19 October, representing their seasons, spring, summer, cold, um, 20 October, closing and training. Reference, Ausben, significative learning, Albert Bandura, social learning theory, Piaget, Piaget's theory of intellectual development, and others. The games and roles. It is evidence. In the evidence, we can difference work based on the personification of animals, characters such as singer, um, singers Jorge Velosa, and play and basketball play Michael Jordan representation situations and dialogue based, for example.
Hey Sophia, what is it doing? I am fine. Center. I am good. Thanks. Let's meet. So good. I'm coming to fly. Okay.
Sorry.
Hello. I am the sun at the am in the summer soon. To give dear people as you can. How you can. What is
um, um, vocabulary review games, among other activities, and they demonstrate that English can be learning and laws fair through practical exercise, social games, direct clays, and flashes. It is difficult to take evidence because was connect with the students. Here we can find some. My thoughts is life is a constant learning process. Why not do it with some in fun and passion? Thank you.